everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are most and highly welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to grow your nails. Okay, like if you're having difficulty in keeping your nail strong, healthy and white, most importantly, yeah, this remedy is going to help you so much to help keep your nails strong, white and dirt free. Yeah, and the oil, wow, it's amazing. Like, you need to see it. Okay, so if you want to know what all of this is all about, stay put, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thumbs up the video and equally share the video. Now let's go, let me take you into the video. Alright guys, to get a healthy, long, strong nails, we're gonna be needing some hot water. Yeah, so we're gonna be needing some scrub, some rinsing and some oil guys. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be needing now is that we're gonna be putting the hot water. This is actually very hot, so I'm actually going to be keeping it for it to cool a little bit. And then we're going to be needing some salt. Okay, so we're going to be putting about 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure that the salt is actually enough inside the water, because salt is actually one great bacterial killer. Okay, so you put it in there and then you stir and mix really well. Okay, so we're gonna be needing the salt again, and then we're gonna be needing to use some lemon. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. So we're gonna be needing a bowl, and then you're gonna be taking in just a little salt, and then we're going to be cutting in the lemon. Okay, so not too much of a lemon, then you mix. Now if you're having fungi on your fingers, or you feel that your fingers is actually not growing so well, although I have artificial fingers on, but of course there are some people who love, like my fingers beneath is actually growing really well. Yeah, so there are some people who love to keep their natural nails. Okay, so this ingredient is actually for you, and this is actually going to help. So what you do is that you grab the treatment and then you put it at your cuticle area and this side. Okay, and then you scrub it just like this. Scrub it just like that, and you make sure to scrub all of your 10 fingers with this ingredient. Now if you're having an open sore around anywhere you're scrubbing this, be rest assured that it's going to be pepperish. Yeah, so just have it in your mind that if you have an open sore, it's going to be pepperish, but it's not going to be harmful. It's going to even make the sore go on time. So after which you've actually scrubbed, you can actually leave it on for like some minutes or some seconds. Yeah, and then you grab the warm water that I previously put in salt. Yeah, and then you dip your fingers in it. Okay, just like now it is actually too hot, so I'm actually gonna be diluting it so I can actually dip my finger in it. So what you do now is that you dip your finger in this water, Okay, the water is still very hot, but you dip your fingers in it, out, in, out. You can actually dip your whole hands, so it can help to soften your palm also. So you dip it in and out, dip it in and out. Okay guys, so now for this particular scrub, you can actually do this for 5 days, 5 days only, and your good is going to help you to grow your nails out and strong. Now for this particular one, if you have the strength, you can do it morning and evening for 5 days too. Okay, it will help to strengthen your nails, remove all of the dirt, and make your nails really white. That's what the warm water is going to do to your nails. Okay, so after that, then you'll be needing a bowl again, and then you'll be needing some mixture of oil, because when you treat your nails, you would have to be applying some oil so that your nails can grow really long and really healthy. You'll be needing vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule. You just pour in some of it into a little container, and then you also be needing olive oil. Now this is actually a great remedy, guys, for your long nails. Okay, so you put in the olive oil into the mix, and then what you do is to stir it. Now the essence of it is that you have to mix the two oil together, otherwise I would have just said no need to mix, just use one particular oil. But since you have to mix it, then you can actually mix it and put it in another container like this. Then when you're done, you know, putting your nails inside the warm water, rub the whole nails oil, plus let the oil get into your nails down here, your cuticles on the nails itself. Just like that. Okay guys, so after which you've done this, you can actually just, you know, massage it with it. Okay, massaging it will help for the oil to get into your cuticles really well. Now what this oil is going to do is to grow your nails rapidly, and then it's going to help your nails really strong. You can as well just massage the oil all over your hands. It's going to help also to make your hands stay moisturized and your nails equally stay moisturized and soft. Basically guys, you have to rub this as much as you dip your hand. Any day you dip your hand into the warm water, you use this, and your nails is going to grow really long, healthy, and your hands are going to stay moisturized because of the oil, and then your palm is going to stay soft because of the warm water. Yeah, so try this out and you're going to be loving it. So I'm going to keep a little of this oil so I can actually apply it on my palm. So that's it guys. If you're interested in growing your natural healthy long nails, try this home remedy and you're not going to regret you did, because it's going to be so super duper amazing and it's going to be working really fine for you. Yeah, so if you do enjoy watching the video, please thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again pretty soon. Bye guys.